Hey, Coffee Squad today. October 1st, 2025 is International Coffee Day. If that first sip of Joe is your love language, you're in for a treat. Did you know this global bash honors not just our favorite brew, but the farmers who make it possible? Stick around for history, jaw-dropping facts, and ways to celebrate without leaving your couch. Let's dive in. Grab your mug. So, how did this caffeinated holiday brew up? Its roots trace back to 1983 in Japan, where the All Japan Coffee Association hosted the very first event. But it didn't go truly global until 2015, when the International Coffee Organization, or ICO, picked October 1st as the official date. They kicked things off in a big way in Milan, Italy. But why October 1st? Well, it actually marks the start of the coffee year for trading and sustainability efforts. The main goal behind this day is huge: to promote fair trade and shine a spotlight on the millions of smallholder farmers who bring us our daily cup. We're talking about over 125 million people worldwide who rely on coffee for their livelihood. That's a massive community behind every single bean. Speaking of origins, let's get into some facts that prove coffee is basically a superpower. All right. Fact-tummets, get your brain buzzing. You know, coffee was born in Ethiopia, way back around the 9th century. The legend says it was all thanks to a goat herder named Kaldi who noticed his goats got super hyper after munching on some mysterious red berries from a tree. And just like that, the world's favorite pick-me-up was discovered. You know, it's the second most traded commodity on the entire planet, right after oil. And who's the king of coffee production? Brazil, producing nearly 40% of the world's supply. That's a whole lot of beans. You know, globally, we slurp down an incredible 2.25 billion cups of coffee every single day. To put that into perspective, that's enough coffee to fill the Grand Canyon twice a year. You know, when it comes to consumption, Finland's the ultimate coffee champion. The average Finn drinks about 12 kilograms of coffee per person annually. That's roughly double the US average. Those Finns really love their coffee. You know, kilogram of green beans each year. But here, as to catch it, takes 4 to 6 years for that tree to even mature enough to produce fruit. It's a long game of patience. You know, on International Coffee Day, tons of spots offer freebies or special deals. Because who says joy can't be brewed and shared? Keep an eye out at your local cafes. And here's a little bonus for you. Coffee is packed with so much so that it could rival your daily green smoothie. Mind blown. Facts. Got you hyped? Good. Here's how to make today epic and celebrate in style. First idea. Host a mini coffee tasting right at home. Grab beans from a few different origins, maybe Ethiopia, Colombia, and Vietnam. Rate them like a pro. You can compare notes on aroma, acidity, and body. It's a fun way to train your palate. Second idea, hit up your local roastery and snag a bag of fair trade coffee. This directly supports those farmers we talked about earlier. Plus, many local spots have special deals or limited edition roasts just for today. It's a win-win. Third idea, learn a new brewing hack. Have you ever tried making cold brew overnight? It's super easy and gives you a smooth, low-acidity coffee that's perfect for the next day. A little prep tonight means a delicious win tomorrow morning. Fourth idea, share your own coffee ritual. Snap a picture or a short video of your setup and post it on Instagram with the hashtag #InternationalCoffee. Tag me in your posts, and I'll reshare some of my favorites. I'd love to see how you're celebrating. And the fifth idea, pair your coffee with a virtual global tour. While you're sipping on your brew, Google some coffee farms in Colombia or Kenya. You can see where your beans come from and learn about the process. It's a great way to connect with the source, all with ethical vibes. Woo, what a beautiful day to appreciate our liquid gold. Whether you're a black coffee purist or a fan of fancy foam art. International Coffee Day reminds us that every single sip connects us to a global community. It's about more than just a drink. It's about the people, the passion, and the planet. Every cup tells a story of sustainability and hard work. Thanks for joining the vibe today. Drop your favorite facts from this video or your own celebration hack in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. If this video perked you up, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe for more daily delights, and hit the bell so you never miss a pour. Cheers to October 1st! Happy International Coffee Day! Everyone, see you next brew!